Hello everyone, my name is Sanyam, and in this video we are going to explore ChatGPT, which is one of the most powerful AI tools. We will understand what ChatGPT is, its key features, how it works, and most importantly, we'll see how to use it through live demonstrations with real prompts and practical examples. Have you ever wondered how an AI tool can help you write your emails, solve your coding problems, explain complex topics, or even generate creative ideas within seconds? Whether you're a student, a working professional, or simply curious about artificial intelligence, this video will help you understand how ChatGPT can make learning, writing, coding, and many everyday tasks easier and more efficient. So, we'll begin by simply answering a question. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI powered chatbot which was developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is like having a knowledgeable assistant available 24/7. Instead of searching multiple websites, you can ask questions directly and receive clear, organized answers. It is useful for students, teachers, developers, content creators, and businesses. It understands natural language and can answer questions, generate text, write code, solve problems, and summarize information. It can also translate languages and assist with many everyday tasks. It is designed to interact conversationally and help users learn, work, and create more efficiently. You can access ChatGPT on your web browser or simply download it on your devices. In this video, I am using ChatGPT on my web browser. As you can see, there are many options provided to you by ChatGPT, such as New Chat, through which you can start new conversation and end your previous conversation with ChatGPT. Images, in which you can generate image according to your need. Library, which contains all your previous conversation with ChatGPT. Projects, in this you can systematically store your projects. Plugins, in this you can connect ChatGPT with different tools and work on them. Codex is recently developed by ChatGPT and its primary focus is on coding. You can see there is a box in the middle in which you write your prompt and ChatGPT answers it by evaluating the prompt. There is also a plus sign on the left, which is used to add files and more documents, etc. There is also an option in which you can speak and provide the prompt to ChatGPT by speaking. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool which have many features. Some of the common features of ChatGPT are: it answers your questions, it helps you to write articles, it can help you in generating codes, solve math problems, and it can also summarize your documents. It is useful to translate languages, brainstorm ideas. It can also create emails and generate images for you. As you can see, I have given it the prompt of features of ChatGPT and it has also provided me with the answer by evaluating the prompt. So let's understand these features by using some practical examples. For our first example, we will give the prompt: what is artificial intelligence, explain in easy terms, and also provide example, which helps us to understand how ChatGPT explains and answers your questions. So now ChatGPT will answer our question. As you can see, ChatGPT has already analyzed and is providing us with the answers. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables computers and machines to think, learn, solve problems, and make decisions in ways that are similar to humans. ChatGPT has analyzed our prompt and has provided us with the appropriate answer. If you don't understand the answer, you can also ask it to explain it in simple language, and you can also ask for example, which will be provided to you by ChatGPT. We are going to take another example in which we will ask ChatGPT to write email for us. Instead of spending time thinking about the format, ChatGPT helps us to generate a professional email instantly. You can further customize it according to your needs. It helps to save our time, and if you want to add more details or remove, you can ask it and it will be executed by ChatGPT. So, for our third example, we will give ChatGPT a question related with coding and ask it to explain the code to us. We have given the prompt to ChatGPT and it has provided the answer accordingly. This is especially useful for students preparing for coding interviews or assignments because ChatGPT not only generates code but also explains the logic step by step. You can ask for simple explanation or explain step by step what is being performed in the code. ChatGPT has provided us with a Java program of string palindrome. So now we would understand what is prompt engineering and why it is important. Prompt engineering is the most important part because if your prompt is accurate, then you will receive an exact answer according to your prompt, which helps you to work fast and more efficiently. So, according to our prompt, ChatGPT has answered what is prompt engineering. So, prompt engineering is the process of writing clear and effective instructions called prompts to help an AI model generate the best possible response. So, we can understand prompt engineering by simply using an example. Suppose if we give the prompt, tell me about Java to ChatGPT, the response of ChatGPT will be Java is a programming language used for developing web, desktop, and mobile applications, which is certainly not useful enough. So, why prompt engineering is necessary? Because if we use explain Java to a beginner in simple language, include its features, advantages, and a simple hello world program, then we can get the whole context of what is Java. Some tips for prompt engineering would be first, you have to be specific. You need to avoid writing extra unrelated text which is not of any use. Correctly write about what you want ChatGPT to do. Second, you need to give context. Provide ChatGPT background details, rules, and data so it understands your goals instead of guessing blindly. Third, you need to mention the audience. It helps ChatGPT to adjust the tone, detail level, and examples for your readers or listeners. Fourth, specify the desired format. In this, you tell ChatGPT to structure its reply using formats like bullet points, tables, or JSON. Fifth, ask follow-up questions. It helps you to get clearer answer, add missing context, and explore topics step by step. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool, but it also has its own advantages and some limitations. So, the advantages of ChatGPT are it saves our time. ChatGPT is easy to use, helps in learning, helps to boost productivity, generates ideas, supports coding and writing. ChatGPT is 24/7 available. Some of the limitations of ChatGPT are ChatGPT can also make mistakes, may provide outdated or incomplete information depending on the model and knowledge source. It requires verification for important facts. Quality depends on the prompt. Like any AI tool, ChatGPT is very powerful but should be used responsibly. Always verify important information, especially for academic, legal, financial, or medical purposes. At the last of this video, I will just say today we have learned what ChatGPT is, explored its key features, practiced writing prompts, and saw how it can help with studying, coding, and professional writing. I encourage you to try these prompts yourself and explore more possibilities with AI. Thank you for watching this video.